COD Black Ops. And this is My Life is WWE or NBA. So mostly I was trying to pick this. Should I go to the WWE, go to WrestleMania, and get beat by the crap of people? Or should I go to NBA and make my life not be miserable anymore? Well, NBA was my dream. But then I started to play WWE SmackDown vs. Raw in 2011. And then suddenly I was going to watching WWE. I saw Raw when John Cena and the woo Zack Ryder were facing together. I was watching it and it looked like it was drama. Of course it's fake because it's entertainment. You should have seen it. You know, they make scripts. They act it out. I saw The Undertaker when he was trying to take out Paul Bearer with that thingy and the truck, whatever. He was acting it out. Like barely. But NBA, is NBA real or fake? Is NBA real or fake? Or is WWE real or fake? Huh? What would you think, huh? WWE or NBA? That's the first episode of The Real COD Black Ops. My life is WWE or NBA. So tell me, rate, subscribe, and please comment. But here, let me tell you something. Please, 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 please comment. Please. If I should be in the WWE. Wait, that's not the question. That's not the real main question. My main question is WWE fake or real? The Real COD Black Ops. See you later. Rate, subscribe, comment.